If Jesus walked into your city today, which church would he enter? Would it be Baptist, Catholic, Pentecostal, Evangelical? Would he wear a collar or a cross necklace? Would he sit under stained glass or preach behind LED screens? What was Jesus' denomination? It's a strange question because we've built brands around a man who never came to build one. We've built denominations around the one who tore the veil so we could stop dividing. Jesus didn't come to start a religion. He came to restore a kingdom. Not a system of rituals, but a relationship with the King. Not a denomination, but a nation. A holy nation, made up of sons and daughters, not members and titles. He never preached, "Repent, for the denomination of heaven is at hand." No, he said, "Repent, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand." Matthew 4:17. That's not a religion. That's a government, a culture, a way of life under the rule of a loving king. We ask, what was his label? But he wore none. He was the Lamb, the Shepherd, the door, the way, the truth, the life. And we've labeled what he left unlabeled. We've divided what he came to unite. We've built churches to the name of men when he gave us only one name to worship. Jesus was not Baptist, not Catholic, not Orthodox, not Seventh-day Adventist. He was a king, preaching a kingdom. A kingdom where the poor are blessed, the broken are healed, and the outcasts are called sons. So if you're asking what denomination Jesus belonged to, here's the truth. He didn't come to belong. He came to reign. He didn't come to fit into our boxes. He came to break them. So let's stop trying to make Jesus a mascot for our movements and start making him our king again. Let's stop preaching membership and start preaching citizenship, because heaven isn't divided, and neither is the throne. Jesus never came to start a religion. He came to restore a kingdom. The question isn't what was his denomination. The question is he your king? If this blessed you, like and subscribe for more kingdom truth. God bless you.